Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Gym.com, an innovative AI-powered payment tool that's been generating a lot of interest in 2025. Does it live up to the hype, or is it just another tool that sounds good in theory but doesn't deliver? Just a quick note before we dive in, the information in this video is based on what's available on Gym.com's official site and other sources. As always, we recommend doing your own research before making any decisions. So what exactly is Gym.com? It's an AI-driven platform designed to simplify payments for businesses and consumers alike. Using cutting-edge machine learning, Gym promises to optimize payment processes, reduce transaction fees, and even predict the most efficient payment methods based on user behavior. The platform boasts a sleek interface and quick integration with existing business systems, which is great for companies looking to streamline their payment processes without a lot of headaches. Gym.com claims it can offer lower processing fees compared to traditional payment processors by analyzing data in real time to minimize costs. One of the standout features is that AI-powered fraud detection, which aims to keep both merchants and customers secure while minimizing chargebacks and fraud risk. This could be a huge plus for businesses looking to enhance their security without investing in complex, expensive systems. Gym also touts customizable options, allowing businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs, whether it's integrating with subscription models, international payments, or even cryptocurrency transactions. So is Gym.com worth checking out in 2025? If you're a business looking for an AI-based solution to optimize payments, cut down on transaction fees, and improve security, it seems like Gym.com could be a solid option. However, like with any new platform, we recommend you carefully test it with a smaller set of transactions first to ensure it integrates well with your systems and meets your needs. Have you tried Gym.com? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your experience with us in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.